All right, there's a little dose of good news tonight if you're looking to buy a home in the Bay Area. Remember, little dose. Today, Zillow released its latest housing report showing gradually falling mortgage rates are now leading to a small dip in housing prices as mortgage rates have fallen from 8% back down to around 7%. The median price of a home in San Francisco has also fallen by about 1.5%. Zillow says every little bit helps, but to really see prices drop here a lot, more housing needs to be built.
It's all about supply and demand, right? You have these markets that are very attractive, and where people love and people would love to live, and yet you just don't have enough supply.
And that's the key word. Let's bring in our business and tech reporter, Scott Budman. Good to have you here. As long as homes are in short supply, we know this. We continue to say that.
Right.
It's going to cost a lot to buy a home. How's this for an illustration here? How long it's going to take in years it would take to save for mortgage in these cities, 2 decades almost.
Yeah.
In San Jose. Almost 2 decades in San Francisco, L.A. more than 2 decades, just to save for the mortgage here.
Right, and this shows, because we were talking about what he said, how a lot of people want to live here. The prices are high. We were talking about that when mortgage rates were 4 and 5%. So even though they're down to 7, the prices are still high. And here's an illustration of that. Obviously, the price of housing has really moved higher in the last few years, much more than even wage growth.
Someone in their 20s, 30s, even 40s now. Is it just too intimidating? Just look elsewhere, Texas, Arizona, Nevada, so forth?
Yeah, for this very story, Raj, we spoke to some young people, and by young, I mean in their 20s and 30s, and they're saying it's just not possible right now. They're thinking in the short to medium term, it's better to rent and live your life than try to focus on the intimidating down payment, which it really would be around here if you're thinking of the average home. And so, yeah, we are at a kind of a crisis point, I think, for young people that traditionally not only provide a big tax base for us, but that start companies in Silicon Valley. And the worry is they're not going to say, well, I'm going to save for 20 years.
I'm not going to save 20 years for a down payment on a house.
Exactly.
That's not going to work.
And that's where the Austins and the Miamis and the Bostons are jumping in. They're saying, hey, come here, you can do it much more quickly. And that's why we need a lot more inventory in the Bay Area.
The easy answer, build more housing to turn things around. Is there another answer here?
I mean, the other answer is once mortgage rates continue to come down, and it seems like they may, more sellers will be willing to part with their houses because they won't have to pay such a large mortgage rate on the other end. Once that happens, we'll see more action in the market and prices will come down because we'll see more supply. But the overall supply is slow until, I mean, I don't see another way around it. You build more housing in this area.
Our mortgage rates were about 3 or 4% not long ago.
It really wasn't long ago.
It's a couple of years ago.
Yeah.
Thank you, Scott.